I'm AJ with ENVE Composites, and today we're going to walk through ENVE INNER DRIVE Hub maintenance, disassembly, and reassembly. Disassembly of the hub for service and maintenance can be done with simple tools that are readily found in most hardware stores or bike shops. For rear hub maintenance, begin by using two 18mm wrenches to unthread the drive side end cap. The non-drive side end cap is bonded to the axle and will not unthread. Once removed, you can now pull the free hub driver from the hub shell. Notice how all the drive mechanisms are secured within the hub shell. No more lost components to the road, trail, or trunk of your car when the rear wheel of the bike is off for transit or flat repair. The perfect preload washer as well as a spacer can also be removed and cleaned at this time if necessary. For axle cleaning, simply pull the axle from the non-drive side, clean, re-grease, and then slide back into place. For ratchet cleaning or swapping, take a small mechanic's pick and simply pry out the retention clip. The ratchets will become free to remove and clean, as well as the drive spring. Re-grease using the ENVE Inner Drive grease, and then reinstall placing the spring under the ratchets and re-securing them with the retention clip using a mechanic's pick if needed. Slide the spacer out of the axle next, and then the perfect preload washer on top. From there, put on your desired free hub needed for the axle, and then thread the corresponding end cap back onto the axle until it bottoms out. Preload is perfectly achieved, and the wheels are ready to reinstall on the bike. Overall, for riders who value lightweight, options, tunability, and efficiency, an incredibly reliable package, look no further than ENVE's Inner Drive hubs.